Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Open Settings and scroll until you find Screen Time near the top. Tap Screen Time to open detailed usage and controls. You will see downtime listed as a scheduling option below App Limits. Tap Downtime to view current schedules and exceptions on your iPhone 16. If a Screen Time passcode is set, you must enter it to make changes. Face ID or your device passcode will not bypass the Screen Time passcode requirement. Inside Downtime, you will see a toggle switch at the top of the screen. Flip the toggle off to disable downtime and end scheduled restrictions immediately. To adjust rather than disable, tap Start and End Times and set new schedules. Use the calendar-style picker to choose exact hours and minutes for your new downtime window. Scroll to Always Allowed to choose apps that stay permitted during any downtime schedule. Tap Edit, then Add, or if changes are blocked, the Screen Time passcode is likely active on your iPhone 16. Enter the Screen Time passcode to confirm changes and turn off downtime. For child accounts, open Settings, tap Family, then select the child to manage downtime remotely through family sharing. If you forget the Screen Time passcode, use the Apple ID recovery option from the Screen Time passcode entry screen. Follow the prompts to reset the passcode if recovery was enabled during your initial setup.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.